And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 64. Let us get back to the Pathfinder. Once again, go to Window, open the menu right here. I've talked about the shape modes, the first 4 options in the last video. Let's do it again on the top row. So we can unite, use minus front, use intersection, and then exclusion. The bottom row has a different label, which is simply called Pathfinders, but it can be used on the same shapes. Let's perform it on the first one. It looks like nothing has happened, and you can actually not drag any objects out of there because it's now grouped. But if we go to Object and Ungroup, so wherever there were overlaps, a new element was created and then was then cut out from the old ones. The trim option, we have to ungroup it yet again. And you can see it's also a minus front, but it leaves us with the front. So it gives us the same cutout as the second shape mode, but doesn't delete the object that's used for cutting. Third option is a merger. It is kind of like the unite. But when we ungroup it, you can see it is actually also kind of like a minus front, but it keeps it as one object. The cropping is like the intersection, but it leaves us with the different color. So for the intersection, we were left with the reddish front color, and here for cropping, we get the bottom black color. Outline is completely different because it leaves us with the strokes. Let me ungroup it, and you can see it has cut into all of these. So wherever there were overlaps, we will get a new stroke element. You could see it as a division for strokes. And the final one, this is a minus back. So just like the minus front, but in this case, the back is used for cutting and it cuts into the front element. Usually you're totally fine using the first 4, the shape modes, which is why I have made a specific video about that. But in some cases, these bottom binary operations, as they're called, they're pretty useful, especially the divide. And this is the Pathfinder menu in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.